I would like, if I may, to take you on a strange journey.
Alrighty, we finished our day. It was a rough one. I'm gonna have to do some heavy meditation or something to try and get this arthritis straightened out, because it is kicking my old butt. But anyway, we'll keep going as long as we can. That's all I know. Had a little trouble coming in this morning. The governor came on quite often, but it's been damp and raining, and she just don't like it like that. But we got some fresh, clean gas in her. We'll see what we can do. Let's ride. She's not liking the weather at all. The governor came on quite often, but we'll get her out later, and well, not today, but hopefully later this week, and take her on a long drive and really get her heated up and clean it out. So we're home. We need it. See ya.
The next day.
Alrighty. It's cool this morning, but it hasn't rained yet. Been raining off and on pretty heavy for the last couple of days. Caused the gopher to have some issues with the governor, all that moisture in the electronics. But it's not supposed to rain till later on today, but there's a chance of thunderstorms, hail, and possible tornadoes this evening. So hopefully we get back. She lets us get in, and then we get back before that all hits. But I don't want to be caught out in that. It'd be like driving this, and that type of wind would be just like flying a kite. So it would be something else. We've tried to let her warm up a little bit here, and hopefully it won't come on, but we will see. Let's ride. And there it is. Came right on. There it is again. Went back off, though. couple little issues with the governor. Popped on, then it went off by itself, which is always a good sign. If it goes off by itself and if I don't have to restart it, it usually will last the rest of whatever trip I'm driving before I have any other issues with it. But we're here. We're going to put in our day. We've got a long, hard one. See how long I last with my arthritis today without it just wanting to kill me. Or me wanting to kill it, or a battle royale of the arthritis. So we're going to go in here and do our thing. You all do your thing. See ya!
One eternity later.
Alrighty. Well, usually I might complain about somebody being parked back here in our spots, but this one's forgiven. That's cool. Love those fins. Now that's a sweet ride.
12 seconds later.
Alrighty, we put in our day. It's been a long, hard, rough one. It's just like the last few because of my flare-up with my spine. So we're going to head on out. We're going to take a look. I think we'll take a little bit longer ride. If the governor don't kick in, we'll go out and about a little bit and see what's going on before we go home. It is supposed to really thunderstorm and possible tornado action later on this evening. So let's see if we can do something before that happens. Let's ride. Not too bad. We're gonna rest up, get up tomorrow. It's supposed to be pretty bad weather through the night, so we may not go out for any rides tomorrow, but hopefully everything will work out. Governor didn't kick on tonight, thank goodness, and maybe we'll be okay tomorrow. Gonna go in here and get some chow, some rest.
1 hour later.
So it started about 5 minutes ago, blew the power and the power kicked back on. I don't know if you can see those big hail balls coming down out there. Pea size, but it's beating pretty hard on everything. Gopher's over here trying to weather the storm. Coming down pretty good. Well, we'll see how it happens.
A few moments later.
So the hail quit, rain's still coming down. It's a little flooded out there. So, but the gopher made it. At least the carport didn't blow away. I see a lot of limbs across the street down in the road, so that'll have to be cleaned up tomorrow. Well, hopefully it won't get any worse.
The next day.
Alrighty, it has been a really rough night. The weather was horrible. We had tornadoes in the area. A lot of tree limbs looked to be down. I'm really late because I had a horrific night with my arthritis. Woke up this morning. I have to pack my head in ice because of the swelling on my spine. And up below the 2 optical lobes of my brain. And woke up this morning with vertigo really bad, which happens sometimes when I pack my head in ice. So there's an evening there where I gotta catch it just right, but it's better, but still not gone. The vertigo's still just a little bit if I move or anything, so driving should be no problem whatsoever. So we're gonna let her warm up just a little bit. Mom's already left. I can't leave her in there alone. That's just not right. And we get to see what damage the winds may have done last night. I tried to shoot a little video as it was coming down, a little pea-sized hail and the winds whipping really bad. Of course, we always flood here because we're so close to the groundwater. But we're gonna start this day, see what the gopher does with that pounding rain and all that moisture. We'll keep our fingers crossed, but whatever happens, it's still a good day in the gopher. Let's ride. It's still a good day even though the governor came on. Made it in. Only came on once just as we were leaving. So that's good. Hopefully we'll have a better day than we have a night and things will work out. We're going to go in here and do my thing. You all do your thing. See ya!
Damn, that was annoying.